What do you do if you don't like your personal injury lawyer? Can you fire them? I'm John Degasperis. I'm a personal injury lawyer based out of upstate New York. I have represented more than 1,000 injury victims. I've recovered more than $30 million on behalf of my injured clients. I have dealt with this question many times over the course of my career, and the answer is yes, you can fire your lawyer. Remember, you're the boss. When you hire a lawyer, the lawyer works for you. And if you don't like what the lawyer is doing, then you can fire him or her. One of the most common complaints that I see from people who call me to inquire whether they can change lawyers is that the lawyer isn't communicating. Maybe the lawyer is not returning phone calls. Maybe the lawyer is not answering questions directly. If your lawyer is not communicating, it's a bad sign, and I'm telling you, the communication likely won't improve. Another complaint that I often see from people considering switching lawyers is that they don't know where their case stands, meaning that the client, the person who was injured, calls the lawyer to figure out where does my case stand, and there's no direct answer, or they don't get any answer at all. I will tell you, if you don't know where your case stands, if your lawyer hasn't made that clear to you, you should consider switching lawyers. So what's the process? How do you fire your old lawyer? Well, the good news is you don't have to do it. Your new lawyer can do it for you. You're going to sign a substitution of counsel form. It's a document where you formalize your decision to hire a new lawyer and fire the old one. Your new lawyer will sign the document as well and send it to the outgoing attorney for his or her signature. Once the substitution of counsel form is fully executed, you've effectively fired your old lawyer and you have a new one. What does it mean to change lawyers? Well, number one, it means that your new lawyer will handle all of the litigation going forward. All future communications between the defense attorneys and the insurance companies, witnesses, will all go through your new attorney. Upon completion of the substitution of counsel form, your new attorney will likely endeavor to acquire your litigation file from the outgoing attorney. This is a process that your new attorney will handle. You do not need to worry about this. Now, if you're wondering what happens to the legal fee that you agreed to pay to your outgoing attorney, again, no worries. Your new attorney understands when he or she takes your case that the outgoing attorney is probably going to share in the legal fee. This arrangement does not impact your recovery. The legal fee remains constant. It's likely 1/3. That was probably what you agreed to with both attorneys. And your new attorney understands that at the conclusion of the case, the outgoing attorney is probably entitled to some portion of the legal fee. Is there a good time to switch attorneys? Yes. You want to switch attorneys if you're going to do that as early on in the litigation process as possible. This will enable your oncoming attorney to litigate the case within his or her own style and utilizing his or her own strategy. So in closing, if you're unhappy with your personal injury attorney, you can replace your attorney. You can fire him or her and find a new attorney that gives you a sense of confidence. Remember, you are the boss. Your attorney works for you. If you thought this video was helpful, consider following me on social media. The links are down below. Thank you for your time and good luck.